B9 guys, why are they all installing shitty remote starts? Is this an internal question?
Yes.
Yes.
I agree. I don't know. I mean,
Yeah.
this has blown us away at how many.
We talked about it a couple weeks ago. We needed to kind of address this
Yeah.
on the live.
I'm shocked at how many like the first time it happened, I was like, who's gonna install like a shitty they'll install the alarm the little alarm stereo store in the corner, a remote starter.
Okay. So a little backstory onto why this is a thing for us, or why this comes up is when you're flashing a car, it's a very controlled amount of communication that goes back and forth from whatever's flashing whatever controller, the ECU, the TCU, from ideally generally a laptop to the computer. That's what's talking to the computer. What we see, and I'd say 99% of all flash issues we've come across have been is these terrible remote start units that everybody's installing that are sitting there just talking over the OBD connector, basically to the ECU, and have no idea when to stop talking. So they will just keep yammering onto the ECU, trying to see if the engine's running or not, regardless of what else is coming over the line. And that's just garbage data coming across the OBD channel that the ECU doesn't know what to do with it. Any flashing algorithm's not going to know what to do with it. And it's just, they're just terribly implemented remote starts. So I'm sorry if you spent a lot of money and we tell you your remote start's causing all the problems and it's a pile of garbage, but that's what's going on is, we're fielding support issues that are caused by all these remote starts.
I guess I'd like to know, maybe people can comment why what's the purpose of these remote starters? Why are they getting them?
It seems to be endemic to B9 only.
I know, it's a B9 thing. We never had this problem with B8s.
Yeah, the thing that I've seen is folks want their heater to come on quickly. However, it's an electric assisted heater.
Yeah, these are electric assisted.
No, that's why I want to know the answer.
That's why we're trying to figure out why are you.
What are people's reasons? I mean, I think it might just be so that they can be as cool as their buddy with the Hemi who has it, or something. I don't know.
We truly don't know. But regardless, like when you're sitting
the Chevy Malibu that has it, I don't know.
Forcing out 034 because your car is not flashing correctly in the driveway in the middle of the night. Most of the times, or I'd say nearly every time we've seen it come up, it's been a remote starter issue. And if you have anything else installed in the car that, might communicate with ECU, OBD gauges that are hardwired in, remote start, stuff like that, it's going to cause problems when you try to flash.
Imagine you're trying to have like an important phone call and someone's on the phone just being like, la, 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 la,
from like a party line, and you got
that's basically what this remote starter thing's doing. So, public service announcement: if you're going to flash your car, this is not a 034 Motorsport specific issue. You got to disconnect that thing.
Yep.
And you're gonna have to go under there with all the vampire taps and your factory wiring that's been mangled, and disconnect some stuff under there because the stereo shop they use these vampire taps, which just cut into the wires and create a connection through the insulation of the wire. I mean, it's the worst way to do it. Yep. There could be one out there with like proper adapter harnesses. I seriously doubt it.
Right. Yeah. Best case. So
they're going under there cutting wires. Yeah. I would not install one of these on a brand new Audi. I'm not aware of any on the market that are designed to be installed in an Audi with a proper plug and play,
clean, undoable way.
No, so this is a bad thing to do. I mean, you don't even have to like turn the key anymore. You just got to push a button. So